Introducing the all-new 2025 Volkswagen Golf Edition, 75 2.0 TDI with 116 horsepower. This sleek and powerful estate vehicle is a perfect blend of style, comfort and safety. With features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone, lane departure warning and self-driving capabilities, you'll enjoy every moment on the road. The black exterior and luxurious interior trim make a bold statement wherever you go. And with security features like anti-collision system, emergency call, and trailer stability program, you can drive with peace of mind. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit michaelmoore.ie for more information today.